Sanibona bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale game ye-Sundowns neswe against iswelele kwi-league game. So i-game igcine iphele ngo-1-1 bafethu. Soqala there's a few things that I want to highlight, starting with the approach ema-team au-2. So before umdlalo udlalwe, i-Sundowns was outnumbered kuma-fans naku-momentum off and on the pitch. Mangithi on the pitch, yeah, i-Sundowns had the ball position, but iswelele besi operator way let me say besi ingozi kune Sundowns. Yeah, pressure coach was kind of normal to igame MC Alger. You have Umtao, you have Umodiba, and then you have Grant when the Cupido Allende Mkwena Urasin number 7 Ununez Umetius Urenas. So now in Tihambala, there's a lot of confusion with Sundowns in terms of our position. You coach udlala abadlala abaningi center, and then kwenza a confusion. Yes, he wants to see team yakhe be mobile, where you see Uresin coming in to collect, and then Ununez gijima behind. Ephepheni looks good, but a grounding kuba khona isiminyaminya that yenza ukuthi i-team ibe vulnerable, because it's easy if you wanna beat them, just be closer to each other ukuze bangabi nespace sama-1-2, of which goal balithole ngespace second half after coach elimazi team right. So kusolele bekhona that boy, there's a right back lapha is very strong, bese kube khona left back, I think uRapo, ama-center back ayi-2, number 27 is very good, and number 4 udlela it's Gala. Coming to your center, there's uMakhamane. Like you see, iswelele one thing engibonile la team fit njengamanje. Uma ubheka i-physique, uMakhamane was overweight, uGos was overweight, but now i-shape yabo, they are very good. Like i-shape yabo can say ukuthi bayajima. And then we have one of my best striker, uMagidikidi. Futhi angifisho ukuqhubeka ngiyele kude. Lo mfana unamagoli awu-9, unamagoli awu-4 already kuyimanje, une-assist, unama-man of the match ku-World Cup, kumagame awu-4 wakhona amagoli awu-2. For me, he's the promising player of the season, the best striker this one. Indlela amobile ngakhona, indlela ile striker esinesicefe, i-target uyayazi, he can dribble. Coming back to the game, so and then basic kube khona ulunga on the right, kube khona uPotsane is a number 10, and then you have Pule, but now Pule bamenza invert. Iswelele if Pule ubenza inqume right, iswelele bese win la game. Ufugos ubenza inqume right in terms of distribution. Yes, uyenzile kahle second half, but most of the time game ubengenzi kahle. And then you have a very good Potsane fit, uyagijima, une confidence. And then the center you have Umoralo, who's like strong holding midfielder, and like he's more like a boss support, but he's so strong. So back complementing well even Umakhamane, because Umakhamane is more like a number 6. He's good to kuma second ball, off the ball. Like you guys to cover it distance. So all the time I'm a second ball, actually a winner. So it's already interim is the essential right with him. Whenever see win ball kuma spaces, besikwazi ukuphuma lapho besingayilahli ibhola, yenza ukuthi i-Downs zibe frustrated. So igoli lesoyele came through ukuthi pressing yaPotsane, and then uRonwen wenza mistake and then khalasha igoli. Ngisakulo ipoint la Ronwen, he must be very careful, because Uchene is coming. Like this season, you might see Uchene ever the goalkeeper of the season. So Uchene Ronwen must be very careful. He's so good, but now the problem like Downs is Ukoshi wants to, like, he is complicating things. I'm a position like, for me it Downs ibidinga usales, because usales uyakwazi ukubetha i-line, ubidinga umshishi. Unfit umshishi is better than number 7 ubani Uresin for me. So I think like into yenzile second half coach wafaka umshishi. So now into yenzile second half Downs was overlapping on the right lapha grab, bekade khona umshishi, kukhona uMorena, kukhona usales, and then bese uRenasi press on the space, igoli futhi lingene kanjalo. And throughout kuphela game Mkwena got a red card, of which I think bengafanele kube a red card. Yeah, perhaps le yokuqala benoPotsane nakhona just men most. So le game affect kakhulu inqumo za-ref nezo-coach as always. So what I'm saying ukuthi Isolele looks like a team that will compete and abayi vele for sure abayi kwi-relegation for what I see. So it's a very difficult thing to say ukuthi manje ubani ozoya kwi-relegation, because remember ukuthi we are approaching i-second leg of the game of which ama-team almost wonke azokhuphula. So I'm wondering ukuthi i-Downs, for what I see, if i-Downs keep uKagiso, they'll lose many games, noma they'll draw points. Basically leya game i-Downs befanele lose because amathuba Isolele esolahlile. But now usiyema imistake ayenzile was ushintsha kakhulu i-team. I think wenza ama-sub out 3 and bekula ko-70, of which ushintsha kakhulu isipane team. Olunga, they're hardworking. At this time you shouldn't just keep Olunga, like usipusha kakhulu isipane, and then left and right bese khona uLakay, and then ngala bese khona uNyukomobi. Usho ukuthi mangabe sebephuma bebengenayo i-pace and bebengenabantu umuntu owazi ukuthi agcine ibhola phambili, yikho bese more like uMaketikidi was exposed manje ukuthi njalo ibhola utholiwe because useyifake ama-wing back owenza ama-wingers. But game for him for sure ubesefuna ukubamba anako. Danko.